Instead of falling into the trap of nationalism, protectionism, and division, we can choose global solidarity and economic reconstruction.
Foi esse desequilíbrio que causou a escassez, em particular, dos equipamentos de proteção individual e dos ventiladores pulmonares. Se a oferta desses itens não coubesse somente a pequeno grupo de países, o custo em vidas humanas da pandemia teria sido menos elevado.
Go back 30 years ago, who could have imagined that small state or states from the Gulf can send their scientific equipment to Mars? Unimaginable, but it's reality today. So there is a new world opening for small and smart states, and I want to make Armenia one of them.
ជារួមដើម្បីស្រាលឡើងវិញនៅវិវលភាពយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាត្រូវឆ្លើយតបជាបន្តនិងប្រកបដោយការទទួលខុសត្រូវដើម្បីដោះស្រាយបញ្ហាប្រឈមនិងការភ័យខ្លាចដែលកំពុងបំបែកបំបាក់បណ្ដាប្រទេសនានា
I learned that black swan events happen. We talk about them, it's a world that is gray, but when it does happen, and it does happen, and it has happened, it's real. The quality of the people you have, that's when they step up, and that's where everyone has the opportunity to rise to the occasion. So I'm very proud that I've seen that, and I've seen the resilience of my organization.
It's undeniable that the world is going to become much more digital, and trying to resist that change is pointless.
Companies like us, we drive large business, but we live with an ecosystem of integrators, of partners, downstream of Schneider, of many suppliers. We help those companies to go through a crisis and actually use the crisis to modernize and digitize to come back and be more sustainable, as we said before, prepare for the future.
It's crucially important that we not only, have billions and trillions of government money and stimulus, but also that this money is going to be invested into the future and not into backward-oriented industries, because they're going to die anyway. And if we are not mindful about the future today, we actually, forfeit much of the future which we can design and direct.
As the world is getting increasingly unpredictable, it's vital that people have confidence in the ability of institutions and companies to perform their roles and successfully address the challenges ahead.
As a symptom of our mass production, over-consumption, and over-reliance on concentrated supply chains, COVID-19 has helped to bring those risks more clearly into view.
I think there's also more of a need for and a realization of the dangers of climate change and a focus on the sustainability agenda. This kind of black swan event has taught us that firms will be more cognizant of things they can do to reduce waste, recycle, and focus on conservation.
Making European industry greener, more digital, and more resilient is the main goal of our industrial policy. We are determined to continue to promote and give new impetus to the energy transition.
Taking our past few months and our not so bright future into consideration, we wanted to initiate a legacy that can truly make a difference to our world, ensuring green energy to make green products that can be bought using green currencies. Hence, I'm proud on behalf of the Organizing Committee for GMIS 2020 to formally announce our new legacy initiative called the Green Chain.
For climate protection, which is the much more complex challenge we are facing, not only have to find a vaccine and remedies, but we have to change everything in the way we are doing business and living. And therefore we really have to focus on enormously intelligent and efficient ways to tackle this challenge.
We need to introduce drastically the innovative idea of technology, including renewable energy, energy conservation, upgrade system, and so on.